Motech, where quality is more than just a tagline, it's a requirement for every product we make. Motech's crystalline silicon module manufacturing adheres to the most rigorous quality process controls to ensure that all of our solar modules are built to provide long-term, reliable, proven power. Motech's module manufacturing is led by our Delaware subsidiary, Motech Americas, formerly known as AstroPower and later GE Solar Technologies. With over 20 years of experience in the solar industry, we know that failures are real and costly. As an extremely experienced, reliable company in the industry, we have already addressed many of the common issues that new module manufacturers are learning to overcome. Commercially, crystalline silicon solar modules have been available for over 30 years. However, not all solar modules are the same, and quality should be the highest priority when evaluating a product expected to last over 20 years. Those most familiar with the industry know that solar modules do fail and that recalls are real. Generally, as industries mature, reliability increases and warranty claims go down. The opposite is happening in the solar industry. Even though the number of PV solar installations has been growing exponentially in Europe and the US, users are seeing an increase in the number of defects. The real point is that while module makers are racing to certify their panels, certification should not be confused with quality. In other words, certification does not equal module life. So if certification doesn't guarantee quality, what makes Motech modules better? Motech manufactures both solar cells and modules. We're ranked among the world's top 5 multicrystalline solar cell manufacturers in the world. And with our in-house R&D teams, we have the edge with newest levels of cell technology. Since the performance of the module is, to a good extent, dictated by the quality of the cell, having the best cells goes a long way to ensuring the long-term performance and reliability of the finished module. Motech cells feature some of the lowest temperature coefficients in the industry, which directly contributes to optimum kilowatt-hour power production, even in high-temperature conditions. In addition, Motech cells have a superior component design and undergo stringent shunt resistance and reverse current screening, which has reduced hotspots on the cells, ultimately resulting in safer modules and increased kilowatt-hour yield. But our quality doesn't stop at the cells. We build the entire module with an intense focus on quality and long-term reliability. All modules undergo power degradation over time. Motech's module power warranty reflects this degradation, concluding that the power will not exceed a 20% loss after 25 years of use. We've had cells and modules in the field for nearly 3 decades, with test data showing that our power degradation is less than 0.5% per year, giving confidence that a module with Motech cells will be providing almost as much power 25 years from now as it does today. Our modules are better than hundreds of others on the market because we address the common points of module failure in the field: the junction box, connection interfaces, and delamination. Motech tests for all possible points of failure in a module. Our in-house reliability testing laboratory is used to evaluate all of the materials used in the production of our modules, from junction boxes, module interconnects, string tabbing, glass, framing, backsheet, encapsulant, grounding, and more. All materials in production processes must not only pass certification requirements, but also the high standards of our quality engineers. The in-house testing laboratory also tests completed modules for ongoing reliability. Tests conducted at random but frequent intervals include high pot testing to look for leakage, humidity freeze testing to show the continuity of the lamination, flash testing to confirm the rated power, UV testing to test the encapsulant, load testing for safe installations, and more. Our module manufacturing facility is Six Sigma certified, and where quality is at stake, anyone along the production line can stop the production process at any time for review. Using the unique barcode embedded under the glass of all our modules, we're able to trace back every step of the creation of that module, from wafer to cell to assembly, testing, packaging, and shipping. This proactive quality control shows our laser-like focus on critical process control and gives us the ability for instantaneous corrective action should any step of the sourcing or manufacturing process fall outside of specification. So how reliable are we? In a recent review of a batch of over 1 million solar modules, only 7 have failed due to long-term reliability. Now that's Six Sigma. In an industry where quality is waning, Motech stands out as a leader in the field. Experience really does count.